Hey guys, Reid here. Today I'm gonna show you some type of concept. It's a fuel engine, valveless. Um, so here it is. It comes. These are the cylinders. It's 2 cylinders. Best plan was it will have with a piston. So the exhausts are at roughly at the center. No, this is a blender. Let me show you the other one. So this is a corrected version. Don't know if you'll see it clearly, but here it is. So the exhausts are slightly higher than the intakes. So and then the intakes are inner. They are inner. So when an explosion happens, when you ignite the engine, it will push the piston, exhaust will come out first, and then the idea is it will have completed the combustion cycle. As it goes lower, it will meet the intake, so it will have, here it will be empty because the exhaust will have gone up, and then it will get in fresh air and fuel, and then it will go up again. It will combine to go up again. So these are the turbocharger. These are the turbocharger. So the exhaust, it spins this turbine, which spins the intake. So the intake spins. These are intercoolers. It reduces the temperature because this section will be hot. So trying to put in less low temperature intake, high temperature outtake. So that's it. To make it more, I'm not really sure if it will be efficient, but to get out more outputs, we have 4 cranks because it's valveless. So the piston has rods on both sides. It will push 4 cranks. The motion might depend on you, so you might interchange the firing sequence. But so yeah, that's the plan. The main idea is valveless. It follows. I was using that concept for the previous video for a steam engine and a motorbike engine. So yeah, here the error was after he finished drawing, I found out that the exhaust is lower, so as the explosion happens, it might escape to the intake. So you correct it by raising the exhaust outlets. They should be higher. They should be here. This exhaust should be slightly higher. Not here and here. Even this should be here and here. This should be here and here. Let's close this. Let's close this. So exhaust will escape out first, and then as the piston goes lower, intake will come in. So the exhaust are here, not at the position that I'm showing. So yeah, that's it. I'll keep showing you more, or let me just put it in one video to make it simple. So let's continue this. That's the first one. This was the other concept. In here we are trying to make it so the exhaust is still higher. It will exhaust out first, and then as it goes lower, intake will come in. The main point is it's valveless, so less parts, it will improve your efficiency. So there's that. There is with a different setup. Now this is a flat boxer. Still the exhausts are the exhaust is out, intake is in. It's inner. You get the exhaust first, and then it goes lower, intake comes in. So yeah, with a turbo. So here we are trying to mitigate keeping the exhaust hot to spin the turbos faster. So you combine it and make the system shorter. And then from there, I think you have shown this. This is not really, I will explain this later. Same concept to this, it's just that it's colored. Exhausts in, exhausts outwards, and then the inlets in. It starts, ends here, stops here. This distance might vary depending on the performance you're chasing. Thank you. So there's that. From this point on, there now I'll post this in another video. So those are the concept of fuel engines. So yeah, next will be the Stirling engines, which I've already posted some videos, and then there's a furnace. So please do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.